Welcome back, diecast collectors. Today we're doing Auto World, and specifically 2021 Premium Release 3, version A, and version B. So we're going to start with version A. These are sealed cases from 3000toys.com. So they're pretty good about getting you sealed cases. They're not a sponsor of this video. I just like using them. And so they put their stickers on top, or I guess maybe Auto World put their stickers on top. I don't know whose sticker that is. So sealed case. So we're gonna see what we have in the case. Of course, with the sealed case, if you look back at my other videos, you do get a chance at an ultra red or an ultra raw, which I have pulled either one of those before. I'll leave a link to that right here. And we're gonna start with the first case. I have not looked at these. Oh! I guess we have a loose. So that can happen in shipping. I'm not a loose collector, but here we are. So this is the first one. Is the 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. And it is in indigo blue. So this is actually a perfect, if you don't collect Auto World, this is a perfect way for you guys to be able to see what they have to offer. And you know what? Since I have this one loose, I'm going to throw a little bit more light. So give me just a minute. Let me plug up my light. Alright, more light. So here you can see the indigo blue. And these do have opening hoods. They do. I promise they do. Well, they have opening hoods. Somewhere I have a little plastic thing. I was about to try a razor blade, and I said, no, I'm going to scratch the paint. All right, so there's the first one. So we'll move that over to the side. Next one is going to be the 1994 Toyota Supra. There's the artwork in black, which looks pretty good. I'm digging it. So I think that looks really good. Next is going to be, is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited in hyper green. And this thing is awesome. It's got those larger off-road tires, which it hasn't had before. Sorry for the glare. So that looks really, really cool. That's awesome. I like that. I like that color a lot. Next is going to be the 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat in hyper red metallic, ruby red metallic. I'm sorry. And this is not an ultra red. That's the way it's supposed to look in this red color. So that's gonna probably throw a lot of people off. I think Auto World's trying to get a little sneaky with some of their coloration, so you have to know what you're looking for. Next is the 1983 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side. So this has a grille change for the Silverado, but that looks pretty good. in light brown, poly, and almond. So that's a nice look. And then last for version A is the 1966 Chevy Suburban in red, and it's red. That is bright red. And you know, I don't see these too often, but I almost want to say, like, I definitely have never seen one in real life in red, but I was not alive in 1966, so I'm sure it came in red. All right, let's open up the second box. We'll go in the same direction we did before. Start at the back. Here is the 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat in F8 green metallic. So this is a super dark green. So they did a super dark blue and a super dark green. And that is also really, really cool. Digging that. Next is the 1994 Toyota Supra with the rear wing in super red. That's the red. So that's cool. Next is the 1966 Chevy Suburban. So this is these are coming out in a different order. And this is in saddle poly. So this is like a gold color. Which I will say this looks a whole lot better in person than what I've seen in preview videos and in pictures. It looked like it was a whole lot more gold on video, but it is not. It's pretty cool. It is a gold, but here is the other 1983 Chevy Silverado 10 Fleet Side in white and carmine, and that one looks really good as well. I like those red rims. They did that really well, and man, excuse me, the white lines on those tires are pretty perfect. So they used to not be as perfect, but it looks like they're getting pretty perfect. This is such a heavy casting. This is 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat in blue denim metallic. So that's a dark blue with silver trim, tan interior. Looks pretty good. I mean, this is not my favorite casting by any means, but that one looks pretty good. And then the last one is the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited in granite crystal. So this is a metallic black. And this one has the roof rack and the off-road tires, which is pretty dope. I do think that this hyper green metallic though, woo, or hyper green, it's not metallic. That's awesome. No roof rack, that's a pretty cool distinction between the two. All right, so no ultra red for me today. Sad day, but that's all right. Go check out my other videos. If you aren't subscribed, subscribe. Give me a like if you like this video. Leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite out of all of these? And we'll talk to you next time.